We've been saying it from about day 3 of the test match. The best chance the West Indies had of not losing was for every West Indian fan to do some serious rain dancing and hope that the ground staff continue to have problems with the leakage of the covers at Sabina Park. For me, that is how obvious it was after that Pakistani recovery on day 1, that the momentum was with Pakistan and the West Indies would lose this test match. And the chance to win the series, the West Indies batting is just too brittle and the Pakistani bowling is just too strong. So the rain dance and the cover seepage were like the last refuge for us, the fans. Of course, some people have been telling the Maverick that we cannot wish for rain to fall and wash out the mat and for the covers to leak. That is unprofessional and unsportsmanlike. Well, say what you want. I am a West Indies fan who want West Indies to win, as long as we don't break any rules. And the rain dance is legal, and the seepage is accidental. And by the way, look at the arm action of Pakistani fast bowler Shaheen Shah Afridi, who was the man of the match and man of the series with some 17 wickets in 2 games. Look at his action. Watch it. Watch it closely. Watch her. Watch her. We talk. All right.